Yeah, hi. Evening, Asier. It's Mark from UK. Just to let you know that I've done your laser there, and I've done a repair for you. I just put it on, and you can hear it come up. Basically, I cleaned your cogs. They were a little bit cracked up, but they weren't too bad. I'll just turn that up for you. You can hear that there. The quality ain't good because I'm using it through headphones. But I've changed the laser, of course. I've checked micro switch for you. I've checked the cogs. I've done the relative, cleaning, what I usually do. I've had it on test for about, it must have been on about 10 hours because I've been working to the music. So I will show you some. I was going to turn it off. Okay, so I'm going to stop that and take that off. Now, you've lost this part. Okay, this part's come off, so you're going to need to get another one. This one I can't, well, this one's no good to you anyway because it won't work on your system. This is one what I use for testing, but you can pick these up. Yeah, I mean they're only about $5, but I haven't got one because I'd need to take it off a working system and I can't really do that. So you will need to get that one. So, but yeah, it's, it is all working, and it's in good condition for you. So yeah. Yeah, I touched that up a bit of pen for you. I put a bit of pen on there, so it's, you can't see the scratches where you cut that bolt off or whatever you done there. But yeah, okay, I'll be sending that out tomorrow morning. So thank you ever so much for your business. We do appreciate it. You got a 6-month warranty on that as well. So if you need anything within 6 months, that laser goes in 6 months. I'll repair it. Obviously, we don't cover anything else with that system because all we've done is the actual laser. We've replaced the laser. So yeah, thank you ever so much, and I'll be sending it out. Thank you very much.